Hi. This video presents the work done in one of the experiments approved in the second wave of DIGITbrain open calls. The experiment is called ProMED, which stands for Production Optimization for Medical Devices, and its objective is to virtualize an existing 3D printing facility to optimize production costs and time. So let me start from a brief introduction of the partners. The first project partner is the National Research Council of Italy, whose research group has strong competences in geometry processing for 3D printing applications. Then we have OpenDot, which is a company based in Milan with a long-lasting experience in the development of software solutions for digital fabrication. Then there is our end user PREMET. PREMET is a company based in Hungary which produces medical devices while exploiting a modern fabrication approach which combines 3D printing and milling. And, last but not least, we have Inaman, which is our digital innovation hub in DIGITbrain. When we started the experiment, the production at PREMET was rather standard. Upon receipt of an order, the company decides whether the order is urgent. In that case, the object is designed and produced immediately as quickly as possible. For non-urgent orders, the production can wait until a sufficient number of orders allows to fill the building platform. Indeed, several products can be packed on a single platform and produced together as shown in this image. This increases the printer throughput and minimizes material waste. To form a quote for an order, the company must consider several costs including the time spent by the operator to prepare the model for printing, the time used by the printer, the time spent by the operator to cut the object from the platform and clean it, and so on. So, the idea of our experiment is to support our end user in this difficult task, and hence optimize the production costs and improve the product quality by choosing the right fabrication parameters. Our system is basically made of two core modules: an orientation optimizer and a process simulator. The former finds the optimal printing direction based on a set of parameters that the user can control. Based on this building orientation, the second module simulates the printing process and returns a set of useful data such as the estimated cost of all the operations, the time needed, the material consumed, and so on. Besides these two modules, we also have a graphical interface. Here is the entry point of the interface, where you can see the characteristics of the printer used by PREMET plus some data that can change over time, such as for example the material cost or the cost of human labor for post-printing operations. From this page you may start a new session. And this is the page you get. Here you can see the printing platform with the STL object and controls to specify which are the goals of the orientation optimization. For example, if an order is urgent, the operator may give a higher weight to this height parameter here. Indeed, smaller heights in the printing chamber correspond to faster prints. When the user is happy with the parameters, he can run the optimization and see, for example, how the object was oriented for this session. When a session is concluded, the process is simulated and the operator gets immediate feedback of what to expect in a real printing. So for example, here you can see that the printing will take 9 hours and will consume €25 in material. By comparing different sessions, the operator can decide which one is the best according to the specific objectives at that time. We believe that this is a significant support to optimize production.